If you want to edit WordPress files from cPanel on Namecheap hosting, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process in a simple, beginner-friendly way. This is a useful skill when you need to make quick changes to your theme files, update a header or footer, or fix something directly from your hosting account without installing extra plugins. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Namecheap. Once you're signed in, look for the hosting list inside your account dashboard. This is where all of your hosting plans are displayed, so if you have more than one website, make sure you choose the correct one. After that, click on Go to cPanel for the hosting account connected to your WordPress website. cPanel is the control panel where you can manage your files, domains, databases, and other website settings. Once cPanel opens, you'll see a lot of different tools, but the one we need right now is File Manager. Click on File Manager to open your website files. This is the part of cPanel that lets you browse and edit the actual files stored on your server. When the File Manager loads, you'll usually see several folders and files. For a WordPress site, the main folder you want is public/html. Click on public/html because that is typically the root directory for your website. Inside this folder, you'll see all the WordPress files and folders that power your site. You may notice folders like WP admin, WP content, and WP includes. The most important one for editing theme-related files is WP content, so go ahead and open that next. Inside WP content, click on themes. This folder contains all of the installed WordPress themes on your site. If you have more than one theme installed, you'll see multiple folders here. Choose the theme you are currently using or the one that contains the file you want to edit. Now, inside your theme folder, you may need to look for the specific file you want to change. For example, if you are editing the header, you may be looking for header.php. If you're editing the footer, you may need footer.php. If you want to change styling, you might look for style.css. Take your time here and make sure you open the correct file because editing the wrong file can affect how your website looks or works. Once you find the file you want, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Edit. This tells cPanel that you want to open the file in the built-in code editor. Depending on your browser or hosting setup, cPanel may ask you to confirm the file encoding or the edit action. If a prompt appears, click Edit again to continue. The file will now open in the editor where you can make your changes directly. Carefully edit only the content you need to update. It's always a smart idea to be cautious here because even a small code mistake can break a page layout or cause an error on your site. After making your changes, look for the Save Changes button and click it to store the updated file. Once the file is saved, refresh your website in another tab to check that your changes appear correctly. If something looks off, go back and review the file carefully before making more edits. And that's it. You've successfully edited WordPress files from cPanel on Namecheap hosting. This is a very handy method for making quick site updates when you need direct access to your WordPress files. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next website hosting and WordPress tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.